Is your Windows 11 PC feeling a bit slower than usual even when you are not doing much? It might not be your hardware. In recent updates, Windows 11 has added several AI features that run quietly in the background, whether we use them or not. This can sometimes increase RAM usage and affect overall performance. In this video, I will walk you through a safe and simple way to remove unnecessary AI features using a free open source tool step by step. So let's get started. Before making any system changes, let's first create a backup point. This ensures your PC stays safe no matter what. Here's how to do it. Click on the search bar and type Create a Restore Point. Click on it and it will open the System Properties window. Click on Configure. Turn on System Protection. Now set the max usage to at least 10%. Click Apply and then click OK. Now click on Create. Now give your restore point a name. Then click Create again. Windows will take about 30 seconds to create a snapshot of your current system. If anything goes wrong, which is unlikely, you can easily roll back your system from recovery options. This step takes just 2 minutes and I highly recommend not skipping it. As you can see the message, the restore point was created successfully. Now click on Close. Now let's get the tool. Open your browser. Search for Remove Windows AI GitHub. Now click on the first link. This repository is public and open source, meaning you can view the full code before running anything. Transparency is extremely important when working with system level scripts, and this one is completely open for inspection. Now scroll down on the GitHub page to the How to Use section. You will see multiple methods, but I recommended using the graphical interface UI method. Why? Because it gives you full control over what gets removed instead of running everything blindly. Now copy the PowerShell command provided there. Now click on the Start menu. Search for PowerShell. Now click on Run as Administrator. Once PowerShell opens, right-click inside the window to paste the command. Then press Enter. PowerShell will now connect to GitHub, download the script and launch it automatically. This may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once the script loads, a clean graphical interface will appear. Inside you will see multiple categories of options related to Windows AI components. Note, if you are unsure about any option, click the question mark icon next to it. This will show a brief explanation of what that option does. Take a few minutes to read. This builds confidence and avoids mistakes. For most users, the default selected options are already optimized. No need to change anything unless you have a specific requirement. If needed, you can also check options to install classic Windows apps. Once everything looks good, click Apply. The script will now begin executing. It will carefully remove or disable selected AI features from your system. Once the process is complete, you will be prompted to restart your PC. Click Yes and allow Windows to reboot fully. After rebooting, you will immediately notice the Copilot button is removed from the taskbar and it no longer appears in the Start menu. And as you can see, the taskbar looks cleaner and less cluttered. And most importantly, reduced background activity improved system responsiveness, and better control over privacy. Now, just to be clear, AI in Windows 11 is not necessarily a bad thing. For some users, tools like Copilot and smart suggestions in Edge can be genuinely useful. But if you don't use these features, prefer a lightweight system, care about privacy, or are running older hardware, then removing them can make a real difference in performance and control. So that's it for today. If this tutorial helped improve your PC's performance or gave you more control over your system, then please give it a like, share and subscribe our channel for more helpful tech tutorials and tips. Your support truly motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.